Dad, I can't believe naging kabit mo yung anak ni Aster Fields.
That's not the point now, Iris. What's important is we have to protect the family, the business.
Dad, did you really have to kill her?
Kailangan.
Kailangan ba talagang ganun? Na kapag may atraso, kapag merong gustong kumalas, papatayin agad?
May atraso sa'yo, Jasmine Flores. Di ba gusto mo na siyang patayin?
That's not the same. Kung hindi mo pinatay ang anak ni Aster Fields, hindi tayo pag-iinitan ni Aster at Lavender Fields ngayon. Kung hindi mo pinatay yung asawa ni Agent Fernandez, edi hindi na tayo pipiliting ibagsak.
Hindi ko alam na asawa niya si Ivy Fernandez.
Well, lesson learned, Dad. Know your enemies.